welcome to Challenge 1 of Digital Twins, Emulations, and Simulations. Today we are going to talk about the first challenge, which is scenarios. So the first image I'm showing you today is about my deployment map and what it looks like. So the 8-step process, this is for scenario 1 and 2. So this is my 8-step process. I identified the challenge. I looked at the possible problems, possible solutions, and I found the best, decided what best solution. And then I did all the calculations for challenge 1 and 2, and then I did all of that. So the second section is the calculations for the battery. The second scenario was not calculation; it was just mainly just saying what to use. Details on code, and then that's the code, and then step by step how to run both scenarios. And figure 1 is the first challenge being correct. So that's basically the deployment map for both challenges. The second image I'm going to show you is about battery sim pi. So this is my code. PyBam is what I use to run the simulations for these codes, run times. So this is all perfect for me. The next image I'm talking about is the battery runtime range. So here is the final scenario simulation of the battery. So that's what that first challenge was mainly about. The second challenge here is the second challenge is operators results from the scenario 2, which you got to learn about operations and operators in a factory. Um, as you can see, operators, there's the big code for it. This is what it will look like for challenges 2's code. So it prints it out as you saw in the first image, it prints it out. And then here is the next image, which is the bar graph of the simulation. So as you can see, Operator 2 is clearly just overwhelming because they just are more better and more productive. And then here are all the videos, all videos of running each simulation for challenge 1 and 2. I mean, scenario 1 and 2, sorry, not challenge. Scenario 1 and 2 of challenge 1. Thank you for watching.